Dropshipping without Shopify involves using alternative e-commerce platforms and strategies. Here's a concise guide. Choose alternative platforms. Opt for free or affordable e-commerce platforms like WooCommerce, BigCommerce, or Magento. These platforms provide dropshipping capabilities without Shopify subscription fees. Set up your online store. Create your online store using the chosen platform. Customize the design, add essential pages, and configure payment gateways. Source reliable suppliers. Identify reputable dropshipping suppliers on platforms like AliExpress, Salehu, or independently established suppliers. Ensure they offer reliable shipping and quality products. Integrate dropshipping apps or extensions. Use available dropshipping apps or extensions compatible with your chosen e-commerce platform. These tools streamline order processing, inventory management, and communication with suppliers. Optimize product listing. Develop compelling product listing with detailed descriptions, high-quality images, and competitive pricing. Consider SEO optimization for better search engine visibility. Market your store. Leverage digital marketing channels such as social media, content marketing, and email campaigns to drive traffic to your store. Utilize platforms like Facebook, Instagram, or Pinterest for promotional efforts. Implement customer service. Provide excellent customer service by promptly addressing inquiries, concerns, and processing orders efficiently. Build trust and credibility with your customers. Manage inventory and orders. Regularly update your inventory to reflect product availability. Ensure seamless order fulfillment by coordinating with your suppliers.